today, what time is it? Oh wait, it's like 1:30 almost, and I'm going to wash my car. It is very bad, very bad. So I'm gonna go to the car wash, and then I need to go to Sprouts to pick up a couple things. But yeah, let's go. Right. Oops, how about the sun? Oh yeah, I need to check the mail too. Let me check the mail. Okay, so I just got the mail and my Ipsy bag is here for December. So I know I haven't posted it, but I got one bag already from November, and December looks pretty promising. So that's pretty. Okay, let's see what's in it. It's like a little tassel. Okay. Let's open this up. So I noticed they send like a little card. And just, yeah. So like I said, this is only my second bag from them. Alright, so the first one is called Hey Honey. And it is, oh, it's a moisturizer. So I have really dry red skin in the winter, so this will be awesome. The next one is called Cake. It is a heavy cream. It says totally to die for, intensely smoothing body butter balm. So let me open that one. Well, it smells nice. Like, I don't know if you can see, but super dry skin, right? Like, really bad. It smells like cake. The next thing is Bang Beauty Blush. Yeah. Yeah. I'll turn my glasses off. Here's that, and it's in the smoked peach. Okay, so that's the color. That's really pretty. That's nice. It has like a little bit of gold to it. I like that. Next one is Sugar, and it is a mini bronzer, and it is in the shade Woody Wonder. So let's open that up. There's the outside of it. Be careful, I don't wanna spill it. There it is on my hand. That'll be nice. I can always use bronzer. The next guy here is eyeliner from Lottie London. And I got black. I'm struggling, guys. And I will mark. Oh, that's good. It's like super crayon. Maybe I can do a little bit. This is really hard to see. You can't see what I'm doing. Hang on. Actually look what I'm doing. Okay. That works really nice. I like that. That's good. And one more here. So they sent a brush. That's really pretty. This is 32E and it's by Farah. It's pretty soft. Little. Sorry, I couldn't resist, okay? But that is it, and it came with this really pretty bag. So far, I'm happy with Ipsy because it's only $10 and you get one of these things every month. And I guess they have like this little test. They ask you a bunch of questions and then they pick things based on those answers. So it's all kind of like custom to your style, skin tone, all that. All right, enough of that. Now let's clean this car up. Oh my goodness. It is a dump pile. I will show you before we go, but it's bad. Okay, I'm sorry about the light. It is super sunny today. It's actually been pretty cloudy last week. It was really nice. But today, my husband got home a little bit earlier, and he comes in and he goes, "Who broke your wreath?" I'm like, "What are you talking about?" And I look outside, and the wreath that I made in a couple of videos back was on the ground, and it was torn up in 3 big pieces. So I don't know if... So, like, there's 3 things I could think that probably happened. 1, it fell, and it just cracked that way just because of everything that was on the bottom. 2, some birds attacked it. We have a lot of birds around. Or 3, which I'm hoping wasn't the case, is someone just trashed it and broke it because they're idiots. I don't know. I was a little upset, but I'm hoping, what I'm trying to think about is that it probably fell. You know, it was on a command hook, and sometimes those don't hold all the time very well. And it just fell and it broke that way. So that's what I'm going to think. But I was really mad because I made it. I thought it was really nice, and now it's trash. So I did save all of the pieces on it, and I just kind of put them in other random places. So I didn't throw those out. It was just, whatever. It's okay. It's not a big deal. All right, I'm just pulling up here. Hi, can I get the Ultimates? Yes.
Which air freshener?
Let's do vanilla.
Okay.
Yeah.
314.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure. Have a nice day.
You too. Okay, this part requires a lot of concentration because I have to like pull the car into a certain area. Alright, so while this is going, I'm going to show you real quick. This is my car. It's so bad. It's just bad. Look at that mess. It's good to So the car is clean on the outside, now I'm going to clean the inside of it. so here it is after. But just, you can see the floor now. And then I wiped the dashboard and everything, so. Yay, we're clean! So now we're gonna go into Sprouts. I just have a few things to get, and then we'll go back home. Alright, so I got some footage. It's still really weird for me to film anywhere. I mean, that's not in my house, so I got as much as I could. I'm a little shy with that still, but I thought I would show you what I got. I'm going to be making some turkey burgers. Oh, and sweet potato fries. Do I have sweet potatoes? I don't think I have sweet potatoes. Yeah, I don't have sweet potatoes, so I'm gonna go get some, probably from a different store, but I'll show you what I got. Okay. Alright, so I got some whole grain buns, some green onion, and then I got this, I'm so sorry about the light, okay, boar's head, jalapeno, Monterey Jack cheese. So I just got 6 slices. And then I just got lean ground turkey. Can't believe I forgot sweet potatoes. And then I just got some milk. This, I like Bolthouse Farms. So I haven't tried this flavor yet. It's Sweet Heat Sriracha, so I want to put this on my burger. Okay, and I grabbed 3 of these because they're not always there, and they are so good, and I can only find them at Sprouts, but it's the movie night popcorn. It's popcorn flavored ice cream, but you guys, it's so good. Like, it sounds really weird, but it's really, really good, and it's 360 calories for this whole thing here. So I got 3 of them. Alright, I'm gonna go get some sweet potatoes. I'm gonna see if there's any sales going on, and I will go there for those. Alright, so I looked it up, and it looks like Walmart's gonna have the best deal for sweet potatoes. So I'm gonna go to a Walmart grocery that's by our house, and then we'll go home. Alright, at Walmart, time to get sweet potatoes. I got the sweet potatoes. Something I wanted to talk about. I've been doing YouTube for 3 months? Yeah, about 3 months. And I just want to talk about something that you may or may not have noticed. I do not film my husband or my daughter. And the reason behind that, my husband is just a private person. He just would rather not be in anything. Totally understand and respect his privacy. He definitely supports what I'm doing. Really great with it. But he just prefers not to be on film or camera or anything. So, respecting that. As far as my daughter, long before I ever started YouTube, I had made the decision that I didn't want to put our children out there as far as like any social media. So I made the decision a while back that I just didn't want to put my child on there. So my whole thing with social media is I feel like there's a lot of pressure to be on it at such a young age. I don't know, there's good and bad with being on it, and I want her, if she wants to do anything like that, I want her to know what it is, I want her to understand that, because there, you know, it can be dangerous out there, and it's just a decision I made. I just don't want her to not know what she's doing as far as social media goes. So that's kind of basically it. That's why I don't post her pictures online. That's why I don't film her. It's not hiding anything, just saying like that's something as a mom that I want to do for her. So that is why. If you're looking for a channel with like family members and stuff, there are a ton of great channels out there. I'm not saying anything against any of these people. If you film your family and everyone's cool with it, that is awesome. I actually enjoy watching those channels. It's just not for me. It's not for me to do. So again, I'm not trying to disrespect anyone that does that. It's just my personal preference and choice, and just respecting privacy. So that is my little spiel there. I actually wanted to talk about this a while back. I just didn't get a chance to, so I thought I would address that now, since I'm almost at 50 videos. In case you're wondering, you may not even care or notice, but I just wanted to address it in case anyone ever decided to ask. We are almost home. Once I get home, I'm gonna try to put my daughter down for a nap, and then I will probably start dinner. I eat really early. I usually get hungry at like 5 or 5:30. So yeah, that is that. Okay, so we are home. We're going to go inside, probably have a nap. She'll have a nap, and then I will start our dinner. It's gonna be like a dinner, maybe, kind of early. So I will film that for you. I did ask on Instagram if you wanted to see my turkey burgers and everything, and there was a lot of yeses. So I will film that. I'll see you in a bit. Turkey burgers. They're so, oh my gosh, these are so good. And then some sweet potato fries. And that was pretty much what we had. So I'm actually gonna end the vlog here. I apologize for not showing you the turkey burgers. I did record it on my camera, so that will be a separate video, but my phone was dead. So, is that good? Here's another one. My daughter a whole thing here. Go. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but I have a huge mess to clean up, as you can see. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Again, the turkey burger will be its own video, so I'm not sure if it'll be before or after this one. But we're just gonna hang out and do the, oh, I don't even wanna look at that. That's better. So we're just gonna hang out and kind of clean up a little bit. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one.